Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add depth to a photo in Lightroom. If you're new to Lightroom and you don't know how to add depth to your photo, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, open the Lightroom app on your phone. Now select the photo that you want to add depth to. Now you can see different options right here. Simply click on Effects and now increase the clarity according to your preference, and similarly the texture and the dehaze. Now once we increase all these settings, our photo will have depth in it, and just like that we can add depth to our photo in Lightroom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.